In this video, let us see how to use ChatGPT to create a blog post. I will explain in 5 simple steps. In this case, prompt is nothing but a question that we ask ChatGPT. First, we have to select a blog topic and then we have to prepare prompt. I have selected 25-year-old health blog topic for this video. Then we have to prepare the prompt as follows. Now our ChatGPT prompt is ready. Copy the prompt and paste it in ChatGPT to get the content for our blog. ChatGPT has generated the content for our blog. Copy the content from ChatGPT and remove the title, introduction and image suggestion text. Now include copyright-free images in our content. We can find free images on websites like Pixabay and Pixels. I will provide links in the description. Our content is now ready to publish.